The 25th participant in the Silva challenge is Mike Espo. Now, I've tried to straighten things up a little bit. I have a car I specifically picked out for Mike because during the recent pink races, he expressed his love of electric vehicles. So I'm starting off his box with a beautiful little Toyota Prius casting from Matchbox. This is the casting that the Pink Slayer was based on. That's what it started off with. So that's where I'm starting you off, Mike. I know you're gonna love that. Now I have kind of sifted through some of the castings. I tried to narrow it down to a single little tub to go through just to make it a little easier. This old truck, I don't know who makes it. That looks like the truck Dad used to drive many years ago. A Freightliner. Yeah, no idea who makes this casting. I don't see anything under it. But that fits. There's a little seaplane that made in China. LGT or LG7. Looks like the tin with working propeller, but I believe, yeah, there was more to the blades. They're all broken off. Anyhow, that could be interesting if you gas lands that out, Mike. So what else do we have here? Oh, there's this one. I remember seeing. Yeah, these were a couple Christmas castings by Hot Wheels. This one's what, the Phaeton? Something like that? Yeah. I used these. I pulled Santa and reindeer out of these. So if you're wondering what happened to them, that's what happened to them. And this one's cool. This is the Screamin' Holler. Yeah. You can have fun with that. You can come up with something out of that, Mike. Yeah, good old taxi. The Shoebox. That's a Hot Wheels. That's actually a nice looking cast. Nice Dodge Challenger. God, you gotta love the Challenger. It's such a beautiful car. No, it really is. I've always loved those. There you go. 33 Willies, Johnny Lightning. That's kind of cool. Lord knows, Mike, what you're gonna. Oh. Uh-oh, something over here. What's that? A Kidco Vet? Kid painted, no hood. Perfect. It's like it was made for this event. Just trying to fit things in here, Mike. This is what I was trying to get out of the box, out of the tub here. I don't know what the heck this is. It's heavy, made by Jada Toys, some kind of character. Maybe I think it might be a Doom character. But maybe you can work them into some kind of post-apocalyptic situation. Yeah, what's that? Oh, that's pretty clear. That's a Doom buggy. Matchbox Doom buggy. Nothing screams post-apocalyptic world than a Doom buggy, right? That's definitely. What the heck is that? A Vauxhall Buildsman. I think I'm hanging on to that. The glass is horrible. Yeah, I'm hanging on to that one. Sorry, Mike. That I don't mind giving away here. The Skull Crusher. Remember there was an event, a couple years ago that Jamie ran, or him and Keith. I can't remember who were the builders doing the Skull Crusher. I think he set it up with people. It might have been a random choice or something, but they all did Skull Crushers in the event. That was kind of cool to see what they would come up with. Yeah, there's an old Hot Wheels Ultra Hot Silver Bullet. I don't know if you'll want to gas lens that or not. That's a nice old casting. Clean that up a little bit. That's not bad. Matchbox International Scout 4x4. That fits in there. What else? What else do you want me to throw in here, Mike? There's a tow truck. Universal City. Huh. Let's stick that in there, put that in there. I don't know, I think it's pretty well situated here, Mike. What's that? Is it a vet? It's beat to hell. Okay. It fits. Okay, I think that's where we're at casting wise. Let's see what we got to throw in here. We got guns and rockets and wheel spikes and more rockets and stuff and more guns, spikes and rockets, and engines, and pipes. What else? Wheels. Wheels. A different size of wheels. Trying to make sure I get 6 of them. I'm trying to make sure I get the same number, like multiples of 4 of each type of wheel. Yeah, there we go. Some jerry cans and tanks. And then part of the reason why I'm excited that I'll be getting back to 3D printing here soon. Skulls. And more skulls. And Mike, I know you can never have too many skulls. Right? Okay. I think that's it. That went together pretty easily, don't you think? It closes. What more could I ask? Okay. This is the shipment going out to you, Mike. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you enjoy seeing these go together as much as I do throwing them together. Oh, hey. Let's throw some scrap wheels and stuff in here. Because I got to get rid of these somewhere. So, Mike, guess what? You can throw them away. Oh, wait, there's a Porsche 356 Outlaw base. Huh. Go figure. What else do we have over here? Jet 2Z body. Well, maybe you can use... Well, maybe I can get it in here. Yeah, a Jet 2Z body. Well, that came off of the base on my recent 4 Horsemen build. And that won't fit. People say I throw crap in these, and I take offense to that. Yeah, it's crap, but I still take offense to it. Anyhow, this is it, Mike. It's heading out to you. Everybody, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.